Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Suci Nur Islami. Now, in this video, I will show you how to make anko or red bean paste. Actually, I made this anko inspired by one of the anime I have watched. Oh, okay. Without further ado, let's get make anko.
Okay, first of all, we prepare the ingredients to make anko. 250 grams of sugar or according to taste, salt, 30 ml of cooking oil, 250 grams of red bean soaked overnight, and pandan leaves. And now we can go directly to how to make it. The first, boil washed red bean with pandan leaf until soft and cracked. The second, let the red beans stay cool slightly. After that, blend the red beans with the cooking water. After that, you can filter it if you want smoother result. But I didn't filter it so that the texture of the red bean is not lost. Okay, and third and the last, mix all ingredients, put into the pan, then cook until the dough becomes denser like pasta. The dough must continue to be stirred so that it does not burn. Well, when it's ripe, it will look like this. For the use of this anko can be adjusted. Here I will use anko as the filling of the stuffed fried bread. We have to prepare the ingredients: flour, white bread, and breadcrumbs. The first, what you have to do, separate the crust, make the shape as you wish. Dissolve flour with water until lightly melted. Third, spread anko on the bread that has been in the shape earlier. Then spread the flour mixture on the edge of the bread. Then cover with another bread. Press the edge of the bread so that it is tight. Do it repeatedly. Fourth, enter the bread that was filled with the flour mixture earlier. Sprinkle breadcrumbs to cover the surface.
Then fry over medium heat until slightly browned.